Welcome to Homemaking with Mema. My name is Wendy, and I'm going to bring you along today. All my fall cleaning is done, and we're going to do regular cleaning today because it's much needed. Okay, so I wrote out a list, and it's a long list. And I know I'm not going to get all this done today because I have other things that I need to do as well. But I've got it all here. If I can get it done in a couple days, then it'll make me feel really good. Vacuum living room and hallway, sweep and mop kitchen floor, clean half the bathroom, sweep, mop entryway, clean the shower, dust the TV stand, pick up piles in the living room and on the hutch and any that are in the kitchen, scrub the kitchen sink, scrub the dish drainers, wash the mats that are underneath the dish drainers. I have to make laundry soap. We're completely out, so we had to buy some over the counter. And then I have a big, I think it's 2-pound cheddar cheese that I have to get shredded up. The last two aren't really cleaning, but they're on my list. There's something I need to get done in the next couple days. So here we go.
Speed to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild, never sleep, never stop.
Okay, so I got some things checked off my list. And I am definitely going to make this more than a one-day project because most of my day is gone and I have other things I need to accomplish. But as you can see, I vacuumed the living room and hallway, swept and mopped the kitchen floor, swept and mopped the entry, dusted the TV stand, picked up the piles in the living room, and I also cleaned the bathroom floor. But when I wash floors, I do them all at one time. So at least the floor is going to be done. Sorry for the noise, the dehumidifier is on. I'm just showing you some of the carcasses we've already cleaned up. I can't even imagine to give you a count. In the windows, swept up and shop vacked up already. These are them bees. So we're keeping the fly traps up. It is catching some of them. And my daughter still isn't down in her room. These are the ones that we've killed on her floor right below her window. We've got a trap right there. We've caught a few. And we've just kind of gathered them together so I can shop vac them. And we also have a sticky trap right there. Now remember, these are hornets. They are not honeybees. And we're thinking they're just the ones that were left in the house, kind of up in the ceiling that was here. We have a sheetrocked ceiling here, and it was put in after a couple of these rooms were already completed, and same with some of the venting systems. So we think that's where they are. My husband sealed up all the cracks that he could find alongside of that, outside of that brick there, so we won't have that issue again. And so yeah, we're just getting the remnants of what's left in the house. It's been the creepiest thing ever, but we're dealing with it. And since I'm down in the basement here, we do have the patio furniture is down here now. We kind of used this room as a catch-all. We cleaned up quite a bit of it already. This rug belongs in my daughter's room. We got to get that cleaned first before we put it back, but we're waiting for the bee situation to calm down to 0. I've just been shoving this is how much of the canning that we've eaten so far, so that's really good. So I'll be able to fill some jars here. And haven't done much for shopping, but as you can see, we have plenty to eat, and our freezers are full as well. So just thought I'd bring you in here. Haven't brought you in here for a while, and there's a reason, because we've been busy dealing with the bees, and also me and my fall cleaning. So this will be a project a little later. Okay, so I'm sitting down for a break, and I've decided that's enough regular cleaning for today. We're gonna make this more than a 2-day project, because there's a lot more elbow grease that has to go into something that you purposely don't do for a while. And like I said, my regular cleaning, I have not done it in a month, and I could tell in my kitchen floor. I had to put a lot more elbow grease into scrubbing that floor than I normally do. So, but the fall cleaning, it needed to get done. I didn't do any spring cleaning at all. And I could tell. I certainly could tell. So one thing I want to make sure is that I want to get certain things done in the spring as well, not just the fall. But there are going to be certain things that I'm just going to leave for the fall. Anyway, rambling on. I want to thank you folks for joining me today. And I will continue doing the rest of the cleaning, just not today. If you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I want you folks to make it a really great day.